USA. Feeling anxious, stressed, fear of the unknown while studying for the PMHNP board certification? Well, you're not alone. My name is Dr. Lopes, and today I will crack the code, a little bit of a cracking of the code of the PMHNP board certification. This is part of our crash course review. Hi, you guys. Stuff that will be useful to you, stuff that you need to know. Take a note, subscribe to our channel, or even better, go to www.mpexamcoach, sign up to one of our courses, say goodbye to anxiety, and hello, PMHNP board certified. See you soon. Watch our channel. Bye.
Let's see what I was going to say. Okay, so the limbic system, it modulates, it kind of puts in checks emotional and memories. Okay, few things about the limbic system is very important. The hypothalamus, right? I like to remember the hypothalamus with what the heck. It's important. Why? Water, H, hunger, A, appetite, T, temperature, H, hormone, and the E there, heck, is sex, kind of, right? And C, circadian rhythm. Amygdala versus hippocampus. If you hear smell, I often, oh, this is bad, but I've been to places that are not very pleasurable. And sometimes the smell of fried chicken reminds me of situations of my past, right? Of not very good situations. So that smell, it brings me back to places that I don't want to be. So my smell, the smell is connected to my amygdala and brings me back memories to horrible things. If you hear anger, anxiety, you connect to amygdala. If you hear stress, you do not connect to the amygdala. Stress is no amygdala stress. It's a hippocampus. If the question says stress, you connect to the hippopotamus, the hippocampus is stressed. It's also involved with emotional stress, learning, and memory. Your hippocampus converts the short-term memory to the long-term memory so you remember on your test day.
Hello there. Welcome. My name is Dr. Lopes, and I am the creator of a PMHNP Review Course, 30 Days Welcome to Success. Here you have unlimited live classes, unlimited recorded classes, unlimited questions bank, the PMHNP diagnostic test, 1 and 2, the WhatsApp student support group. Basically, we got your back. Come study with us. I'll show you how easy it is to become a psychiatric nurse practitioner board certified today.